Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to survive in the great outdoors. Today, we will be discussing the importance of having a survival kit during emergencies. Natural disasters can strike at any moment, leaving us vulnerable and in need of immediate help. That's why it's important to have a survival kit ready in case of an emergency. Today, we'll be discussing the key components that should be included in your emergency survival kit. A fire can provide warmth and light, and can be used to cook food. It's also an important signaling device that can help rescuers locate you in an emergency. Finally, you'll want to make sure you have a reliable navigation tool, like a compass. Getting lost can be extremely dangerous, especially in a survival situation. With a compass, you'll be able to navigate through unfamiliar territory and find your way back to safety. The UCO Stormproof Match Kit is a set of waterproof matches that are designed to be reliable and easy to use even in the toughest conditions. The kit includes 25 matches that burn for up to 15 seconds each, allowing you to start fires quickly and easily. The matches are windproof and waterproof, making them ideal for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and survival situations. They can be lit even in the rain or snow, and will continue burning even if they get wet. The match kit comes in a waterproof case that can be used to store and protect the matches from moisture and other elements. The case also includes an integrated striker that allows you to light the matches easily and safely. Overall, the UCO Stormproof Match Kit is a reliable and durable option for anyone who needs to start fires in challenging outdoor conditions. Whether you're planning a camping trip or preparing for a potential emergency, this kit can help you stay warm and safe in any situation. The Bayite-drilled Ferrocerium rod flint fire starter steel survival kit is a popular tool for starting fires in outdoor and survival situations. The kit includes a Ferrocerium rod, which is a type of flint that generates sparks when scraped with a metal striker. The Ferrocerium rod is drilled through the center, making it easy to attach to a lanyard or keychain for easy portability. The kit also includes a steel striker that can be used to create sparks when scraped against the Ferrocerium rod. The Bayite fire starter is designed to be used in all weather conditions, including rain and snow. It is capable of generating sparks up to 12,000 times, providing long-lasting use for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. The compact size of the kit makes it easy to carry with you on camping trips, hiking expeditions, or other outdoor adventures. The Hexflex Adventure Tool is a compact and versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and anyone who needs a reliable and portable multi-tool. The tool is made from stainless steel and features 15 different tools in one compact design. The Hexflex tool includes a variety of hex wrenches in different sizes, a bottle opener, a flathead screwdriver, a box cutter, a scraper, a ruler, and more. The compact design of the tool makes it easy to carry with you on camping trips, hiking expeditions, or other outdoor adventures. The Hexflex Adventure Tool is also designed to be lightweight and durable, making it suitable for use in a wide range of environments. The tool can be easily attached to a keychain or lanyard, making it easy to access whenever you need it. Overall, the Hexflex Adventure Tool is a reliable and versatile tool that can help you tackle a wide range of tasks in outdoor and adventure settings. Whether you need to tighten a bolt, open a bottle, or measure something on the go, this compact and durable tool can help you get the job done. The Bushnell PowerSync Solar Wrap is a portable and lightweight solar panel that can be used to charge electronic devices in outdoor and off-grid environments. The solar wrap is made from durable and weather-resistant materials, making it suitable for use in a wide range of outdoor conditions. The solar panel is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry with you on camping trips, hiking expeditions, or other outdoor adventures. The solar wrap includes a built-in USB port, allowing you to connect and charge a variety of electronic devices, such as smartphones, cameras, and GPS devices. The solar wrap is also designed to be easy to use, with a simple and intuitive interface that allows you to check the status of the solar panel and your connected devices. The panel is capable of charging devices in as little as 2 hours, depending on the device and the amount of sunlight available. Overall, the Bushnell PowerSync Solar Wrap is a reliable and durable option for anyone who needs to charge electronic devices in outdoor and off-grid environments. Whether you're planning a camping trip, hiking expedition, or preparing for a potential emergency, this portable solar panel can help you stay connected and powered up in any situation.